How to freeze your MEXC account. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the MEXC wallet app on your device and tap on the profile icon on the top left hand side. Once you do this, you can find the option of settings. Go ahead and tap on settings. If you don't find this option on settings, you can just go ahead and go to security. Yes, security is where you need to go. After you go to security, you can tap on manage account. You can find freeze account. Just go ahead and tap on freeze account. You can select why you want to freeze it and then tap on proceed. Go ahead and tap on this box over here. Once you tap on it, you should wait for 7 or 8 seconds. After it has been completed, just go ahead and tick on this box and tap on freeze account. What you need to do is verify your email address and the Google Authenticator code. You need to get both of these codes, put them over here and verify your account, and then you can easily freeze your account on MEXC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.